Welcome back, Techatonians. Another unboxing and a review. This time, I got something familiar to some, and to others, this is a new product. This is FeiyuTech, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's the Feiyu Pocket Stabilized Camera. So, we got the instruction manual, we got a warranty card, influencer program, and a little instruction manual. And here is the camera. I guess they don't give us instructions, specifications anywhere around, so I'm gonna pull up the site in a minute. But here's the camera. So you got the USB-C charging. What is this? Okay, so you got a tripod connector. And you got the gimbal here itself and an SD card slot. Now let's see. We got a case with the charger, the USB-C. Let me pull up the site for us and see the specifications of this. Alright, so this is their website, and cool thing, they were at CES 2020. I don't remember if I went to their booth or not. They look very familiar. I think I did. But anyways, let's find the gimbal. They have a lot, by the way, on their website. A lot of different types. Alright, here's the Feiyu Pocket. Alright, so here are some of the features that the camera has. It weighs only 150 grams, 4K at 60 frames per second, have 2.5 sensor, 120, ultra wide angle, stabilization, 6-axis, could do time lapse, panoramic mode, slow motion, pretty good. It's 512 external storage, that's amazing. And an app, smart tracking, real-time control. Everything I expect for this camera to have. Let's see if I could find deeper into the specifications. We could go. Yep, here's the specs. Yeah, so 4K Ultra HD, 60 FPS at 120 max bit frame. 4K, it's a Sony CMOS sensor. 6-axis stabilization. 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Different formats. So that's the battery. Okay, so 4.5 hours of recording at 1080 and 3.5 hours at 4K 30. That's really good, actually. So let's see the price of this camera now. Okay, $249. That's something I expected. Not bad. Now it's sold out in the US, but you could get it from China, and you apparently get quick shipping. That's good. So they also have this one, which is the phone holder plus mini tripod, which is really cool. It just attaches like that, and it's only a few bucks more, or it's the same price actually, so why not get this one? Wow, really good deal. Alright, now let's jump into some of the footage. Alright, so this is the footage, and I forgot to remove the little screen protector of the camera lens, so it looks a little foggy. But honestly, this reminds me of the look that Apple's been doing a lot with their Apple TV series. It's like that type of bulky effect. Look at the shadows and stuff. Honestly, the quality is really good, and the stabilization is good as well, and it reacts good from light to shadow. And I know this is a little bit of footage, not much, but if you want my opinion, they'll pass my test. And look how little kind of fog blurry it is. but the stabilization is good, the focus is good. Yes, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like and comment if you want to see more footage, and I'll see you next time.